Name Kita. I'm in my late 30s and not married, feeling low and not getting anywhere in life. I'm practicing. What's your advice? So, name, first of all, I would say is that this is a huge test from Allah. We all have problems. Like I'm sitting here right now, I've got loads of problems in my life, right? Everyone else on this call, everyone has problems, everyone has challenges. This is naturally how life is, okay? Like I said, every problem, challenge, or blessing you have, it's all a test. It's all about how do you kind of deal with it. What I would say is that 30s is not late now, by the way. I know sisters in their 40s are getting married, right? So first of all, it's definitely possible. You need to believe that it can happen. Do not give up. I know it's been a long journey. When you're 30, maybe you wanted to get married since you're 20 or you're 35 or something. So it's a long journey. It can be difficult, but trust me, it's possible. There's people who are 40 and 50 who get married every single day. So it can definitely happen, inshallah. Do not lose hope in Allah. What I would say take massive action. I remember there was a sister I was kind of coaching and stuff. She was getting very late. She, in her words, very late, and she wasn't married. And so what I did is I basically worked with her. I said, look, you need to take massive action. Like stop your life, put everything on pause, take a couple of days out and just focus on marriage completely, like from morning till night, like take massive action. Either it's get registered on different places, go to everyone you know, speak to. I know you've probably done all this. I said this to her, but just do it. Just take massive action. And alhamdulillah, she did it. And alhamdulillah, she's married now. She's been married for a couple of years. So definitely I would say go.